Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Day number 7 of my 24 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. Crikey, we're almost a week into December, can you believe it everybody? So, as you can see by the title of this video, I've got a very special unboxing for you today. This is only my second ever friend mail, and it was received from the wonderful Lisa over on Authent1c Beauty. Lisa and I have been getting to know each other over about the last 4 or 5 months. We've done a couple of collaboration videos and challenge videos. We are both moderators for each other's channels as well in our live streams. Lisa does one on a Thursday morning at 11 AM UK time and Sunday evening at 8 PM UK time. I also have a weekly live stream every Friday at 8 PM UK time, and that's called the Friday Night Natter. It's a virtual get together. You bring your favourite beverage, you put your feet up and literally have a good old chinwag. It's a really lovely community that we're building over there. If it sounds like a place that you would like to get involved with, then please do bob in, say hi in the live chat, like I say, every Friday evening, 8 PM. Okay, before I get into this unboxing, of course we have to do our advent calendars. So first things first, look fantastic for day number 7. And here we go. Number 7 is on the middle row over here. So I'm going to pull this out. I am not going to look, and I shall let you have a little look first. See if you can see anything. Is it covered up? It is. So let's just grab it out. We have a small bottle. Ooh. Right, it's by Ren Skincare. These are quite a pricey skincare brand. And it's a 50ml bottle of the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Wow, okay. I think I've only ever tried maybe one Ren skincare product before. This is cruelty free. I can see the little leaping bunny sign on the back here. So there we go. Very interested to get this and to be able to try another product from Ren. Let's have a quick day number 7 from Look Fantastic. Awesome. Let's get into the box of Gothmas and see what we've got for day number 7 in there. Here we go. It took a minute to find it because it was stuck right at the bottom underneath everything. There we go. Oh, it's a patch! Yay! Oh, fantastic! It's an iron-on or a sew-on patch, and we have a skull. And this is actually by Box of Goth themselves. You can see that under there, or it's been custom made for them. Fantastic! Yay! Another patch ready and waiting for when I do eventually get my black cotton denim jacket that I'm going to be getting, and that's where I'm going to be popping all my patches on, and eventually keep your eyes out because eventually it will appear one day behind me. Awesome! Number 7 from Box of Gothmas. Yay! Okay, so getting into this wonderful friend mail that I've received from Lisa. Now then, she did let me know that this was coming, and I was on the phone to her the other night. We had a short conversation for us. It was only 4.5 hours. And she was like, oh, has your box come yet? And I was like, no, it hasn't, love. Like, oh, bloody neck. Anyway, funnily enough, the following day it was delivered. Excuse me, I have opened it because I wanted to check whether or not there was anything personal in there or anything else. So this is the little wee box that she sent it in for me, and we have a little note on the top, and I'm sure she won't mind me reading this out. So it says, hey lovey, just a couple of bits. I popped the highlighter in to see if you can make it work. And I was like, okay. And then when I saw it, I was like, oh, I remember this highlighter. If you don't know who Lisa is, by the way, I will pop a link up to her channel now. Please do go check her out and show her some love and support. It says the stickers came from eBay, just thought they were cool. Thanks so much for all your support. I love the community we're building. It's so lovely to see people starting their own channels and blogs. Yay. Speak soon, hon. Love to the family, Lisa. Which was just really lovely. So thank you very much, my darling. And here we go. I'm going to sort of show you an overview of what's in there. Lots of lovely little bits for me to try out. So first of all, I'm going to show you all the stickers that she was talking about. How cool are these? I've no idea what I'm going to do with them and where I'm going to put them yet, but I will figure that out. So we've got one here that says, let's do something unforgivable, which, you know, I can just see her looking on eBay and going, I know I would appreciate these. We've got some little pieces of artwork there. Look at this. I just think this one is so beautiful. There we go. Come on, camera. We've got this as well. And we've got this one. And then we've got, I don't know if you'll be able to see this in the light, but we've got this one as well. I think that's probably my favourite. It's so atmospheric. And then we've got this one. This one feels as though it should be on like a bottle of special beer or booze or something, you know? It looks like one of those sort of labels. So we've got a little collection of stickers there. Then I'm just going to take everything out so I can get to everything. So then she sent me, this is by the company Zero, and it's a face scrub. It's a 100% natural plant-based skincare. It's a 100ml tube, and it is also vegan. Now then, I think I remember her opening this, and I think I remember her opening it, and it might have come from a Vegan Kind box, I'm not too sure. And I think she mentioned in there that she was going to pass this on. So, and she knows I like face scrubs and stuff like that. So yeah, being all natural should mean that I shouldn't have any sort of allergic reaction to it, which is amazing. I do suffer with my skin. I've got very oily skin, but it is hypersensitive. I have rosacea, I have cystic acne. It's just a big old mess. So Lisa knows I like to use all natural ingredients because, like I say, then I've got less chance of being allergic to anything. So that's fantastic. Thank you, sweetheart. Then she did happen to say that she was in TK Maxx a couple of months ago, and she just happened to come across a couple of bits and thought, oh, I know who would like that. So here we go. The first thing she's picked me up, she's such a tinker, is a Revolution highlighter. It's absolutely friggin' massive, but such a bargain. Here we go, and it's the Platinum Ingot highlighter, I think that said. And look at that, should have been £8 and it was £2.99. What an absolute bargain. I'm going to try and open it up. Look at the size of that. It's massive. Crikey Moses. Okay, let's give this a little bit of a swatch. Ooh, that feels really nice. That feels really nice and quite smooth. And it looked like it's a pure white. She knows I was after a pure white highlighter. We were talking about it a couple of months ago. And then I happened to get the eyeball highlighter at Halloween in the shade Ice Cream. Ooh, look at that. That looks awesome. Has it got a slight... I was thinking it might have a slight goldy or pinky shift to it, but I think it is just a pure white highlighter. Wow, that goes on amazingly, and it really does give you like that sort of glass effect. Oh, that is lovely. Can't wait to try that out in a look. Fabulous. And now I've got another white highlighter. Awesome. And then she's got me a milk product. This is, let me have a look, it's one of the lip metals, and she's got it made in the shade Angel. Now, Milk Makeup is a brand that I really would like to try. I do have another one of these, but it's in a different shade. That's like a purpley shade. This looks like a sort of bronzy shade. So I'm going to open it up. As you can see, she paid $4.99 for it. And I think on the Milk website, I think these used to retail for about $16 or $18. So here we go. Here's the inner packaging. Looky that. And let's give this a swatch. Ooh, ooh. Yay. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it is. It's like a goldy, bronzy one. Ooh. Oh, that's lovely. That is really, really nice. And because it's quite dark, I was wondering at first if it had like a bit of a red base to it. I'm not sure about that. It's more of an orangey bronze. But that is awesome. Look at state of my finger with that highlighter. That is fantastic. Lovely jubbly. And the other thing she's got me, this is a Wet n Wild. Is this? It's a metallic lipstick. So Wet n Wild metallic lipstick in the shade Life Snow Pink. Oh, Pink Nick. There we go. That's the outer packaging. So you can see it's like a reddy, pinky base to it. That's hence the name. Oh heck, it's got one of these. Here we go. There we go, everybody, without the plastic cover on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, wow. Oh, fantastic. That really is a real red-based metallic lipstick. Oh, yeah. Now, you can understand looking at that why as soon as she saw it, she thought of me, can't you? That is going to be fabulous for my festive frolics looks. I did do some of those last year during the 24 days of uploading I did last year. So I will link that playlist up for you now if you've not seen it before, because it was some of my very, very early stuff. So yeah, I do like to do it this time of year. I like to do several sort of very festive and different sort of makeup looks for you all. I call it my Festive Frolics series. So that will be going into my wee basket of makeup products ready and waiting for when I film those videos. So bless her cotton socks. So she's got me 2 metallic lipsticks because she knows how I love my metallic lipsticks. I've got the super white highlight. I'm dead chuffed about that. Thank you, honey bun. And I've got the Zero facial scrub. Now then, the highlighter she was talking about. This is the highlighter Lisa was talking about. This is from the company MUA, or Makeup Academy. There you go, and it's the Shimmer Silk. Now then, Lisa did do a video all on, she got a load of MUA makeup. And this thing, I was absolutely wetting myself when I watched that video, because this, she could not get it to work for her at all. So she sent it to me to see if I can get it to work. Ah, dear. Right, now then, just having a look at it. Is this the one with the funny? Yeah, it's the funny texture. This reminds me of, just feeling it, it's really, really weird. When you look at it, you'd think it's a powder, which it is supposed to be. But it's sort of like, it's a bit squishy, you know? So this reminds me of a couple of eyeshadows that I've got, like a formula of eyeshadow. It is really, really bizarre. I can see what she means. I mean, I'm sort of, look, you can sort of, it's almost like it's a Play-Doh-y or something. Look at that. I know I'm digging my finger in, but isn't that just the most bizarre formula you've ever seen? There it is on my finger. So it's like a pinky peachy type, and I'm going to do a swatch down here. There we go. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh, we can a bit, we can a bit. Right, so I am going to have a play with that and see if I can get that to work for me on my skin, even just to be trying and be able to pick it up out the pan. I'm not entirely sure at the moment how I'm going to do that. That is a really bizarre formula, and like I say, the fact that you can dig it in and sort of swirl it around, and yeah, that's very, very odd. But yes, challenge accepted, Miss Lisa. I will figure out a way of using this and I shall let you all know. So there we go, everybody. What's your favourite item that Lisa has sent me? Mine's got to be, it's got to be the Revolution White Highlighter. I just absolutely adore that. I mean, you can use it for inner corner highlight. Oh yeah, I'm already seeing, I've got lots of funny images floating around in my head. So please let me know your favourite item. All thoughts and feelings and feedback down in the comments section below, everybody. Thank you for watching, as always, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't just do things like this, I do beauty subscription box unboxings, I have gothic and alternative lifestyle subscription box unboxings, makeup looks, makeup hauls, challenge videos, oh, you name it, loads of crazy stuff. So please do make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Make sure you've also clicked your notification bell and turned it on to all, so that YouTube tells you every time I upload a video, which under normal circumstances is about 3 times a week. However, obviously at the moment, in the run up to Christmas, I am uploading every day. Like I say, I have my Friday night natters at 8 PM UK time each and every Friday. Please do bob in and join us in the live chat in there. Lisa and I also have a joint Facebook page called Making It Authentic, where members of both of our channels and the lovely community can converse with each other. They can promote themselves if they have a blog, if they make jewellery, they have their own business, they're a nail artist, whatever. Another social media platform for you all to engage with everybody. I am also on Instagram, so please do follow me on there. If you would like any tips, tricks, recommendations, if you just want to ask some questions but you don't want to pop it out there publicly, please do private message me on there as well. Alright everybody, I think that's everything for today. Keep safe and well, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!